Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Hirable.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Hirable.com, the first step is to create an account on the website. Visit Hirable.com and click on the sign up button located on the homepage. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting the form, confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is verified, log into Hirable.com with your newly created credentials. Next, navigate to the Investment Opportunities section of the website. Browse through the available projects listed on the platform, paying attention to key details like project descriptions, funding goals, and expected returns. Select a project that aligns with your investment goals and interests. Click on the project to view more detailed information, including risk factors and timelines. If satisfied, decide on the amount you wish to invest in the selected project. Enter the investment amount in the provided field and review the terms associated with the investment. Once you're ready, proceed to click on the Invest Now button to finalize your decision. At this stage, you may need to set up a payment method if you haven't done so already. Choose your preferred method of payment, which could include bank transfer, credit card, or other available options. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process securely. After your investment is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email outlining the details of your investment. You can track your investments by returning to your dashboard on Hirable.com. Regularly check your dashboard for updates on project progress and performance. If you want to diversify your investments, repeat the process with other projects that catch your interest. As your portfolio grows, consider reviewing your investment strategy to align with your financial goals. Stay informed about market trends and Hirable.com updates to make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.